Um, so we're talking about machine learning, and then on the title we're talking about AI. And right now AI is a really hot topic. Before we get into AI and how to use it, I just want to get just touch on the difference between machine learning and AI, because it seems to me when I hear marketing and people talking about this, it's the same thing when it's not.
It is not the same thing.
Can you touch on that, please?
The simplest way to understand it is, so AI is trying to replicate human-like behavior, artificial intelligence. So it would be like almost like how a human would. So ChatGPT is obviously a very, very hot topic.
Right.
So that an AI example of that is the conversational ability that it has. And if you don't know what ChatGPT is, it's essentially a conversational AI tool where you can have conversations about whatever topic that you need help with. So it's like, hey, ChatGPT, can you help me write this SEO article? And it's like, sure, what are we writing about? So things like that. So that is an example of how artificial intelligence is mimicking human behavior. Whereas machine learning more talks about actual predictive technology. So the most common way to do this is something called a regression model. A regression model just talks about, here are all the things that historically have happened, and it can be anything about data or events, things like that. And the machine learning aspect of it is predicting what would happen based on historical data of a concept.
Right.
So when we're combining all of these technologies together, there are tons of use cases and, hundreds.
Oh, we're going to talk about a lot of this.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
But that is like the simplest way. And it gets very, very granular from there.
At
But
high level, AI is trying to get the computer to act like a person would
correct.
with the data. Machine learning is just give it all the data in the world and have it try to give us the best guess on future data.
Exactly.
Correct.
So an example, like very, very simple for like real estate. So we're using AI to analyze like demographical behavior as an example. So like here are the events that are happening in someone's life. And based on like human behavior in the past, this is what would have someone sell, also based on a machine learning model, which is the historical data of transactions that actually happened. Just like as a use case for like how our models work.
Right. And then as far as DataFlik, then the way you guys work is based off of machine learning.
Correct. And we're overlaying some AI elements that are almost taking like the human behavior concepts of like life events that are in people's lives, and then tailoring that with our machine learning models based on the historical data.
Okay.